In this video tutorial, I discuss about derivative notations and its most convenient and easy uses in differential calculus. Different mathematician uses these notations to find the derivative of a function. The question is, what type of notation is used to find the derivative of a function? And the answer is there are four different kind of notation that is being used to find derivative of the function. The first one is known as Leibniz notation. The second one is Lagrange's notation, which is also known by name prime notation. The third one is Euler's notation. Euler notation is also sometimes known as Cauchy notation. The fourth one is Newton's notation. Newton's notation, another name is dot notation. So here we discuss these notations one by one. So let's move toward Leibniz notation. Leibniz notation is used throughout the mathematics. Let us take a look. If we take the first derivative of the function in Leibniz notation is denoted by dy by dx, and the second derivative of the function in Leibniz notation is denoted by d square y by dx square. In a similar manner, the third derivative of the function is denoted by d cube y by dx cube, and so on. The nth derivative of the function is denoted by dny by dxn. Every notation has their own conveniency and usefulness, so these notations are easy to remember and recognized in chain rule. It is also very useful and convenient in considering the partial derivatives. Now let's move toward Lagrange's notation. In Lagrange's notation, the first derivative of the function is denoted by f prime of x. The second derivative of the function is denoted by f double prime of x. And the third derivative of the function is denoted by f triple prime of x. The Lagrange's notation is also known as prime notation because of having a prime mark sign on the function. The higher derivatives in prime notation is denoted by either using Roman prescript or natural number enclosed in parentheses. So you can see here the fourth and fifth derivative of a function. The nth derivative of the function in prime notation is denoted by fn of x. This notation is preferred when function has two independent variables, and this notation is very convenient to use in implicit differentiation. Euler's notation. Euler's notation are very less and not very frequently used in differential calculus. In Euler notation, we use capital D instead of df by d of x. In Euler notation, the first derivative of the function is denoted by d sub x f of x. The second derivative of the function is denoted by d sub x square f of x. And the third derivative of the function is denoted by d sub x cube f of x. In a similar manner, the nth derivative of the function is denoted by d sub x n f of x. The subscript x means the function is differentiable with respect to x. These equations are used in stating and solving differential equation. It also makes the presentation of differential equation very simple. Newton's notation. Is denoted by y dot. The second derivative of the function in Newton's notation is denoted by y double dot, and the third derivative of the function in Newton's notation is denoted by y triple dot. So what about higher derivatives? For example, in fourth order derivative of the function, we put dot above y and below 4. Similarly, the nth derivative of the function, we put dot above y and below n. These equations are generally used when independent variable denote time t. If y is a function of t, the y dot represent velocity at time t and y double dot represent acceleration at time t. These equations are more popular in physics and mathematical physics. If you like this video, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thank you.